What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to disable automatic downloads for Apex Legends on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In your Apex Legends main menu, tap on the download icon on the top of your screen. This will show you an overview of the download status of your resource pack, maps, audio and more. The completed download will not show up here. When navigating to your in-game settings, go to the Dynamic Download tab. Here, you can preview your downloaded content like before, including the finished downloads. You can pause current downloads and delete completed downloads when tapping on the trash can icon. After deleting the finished download, the game will no longer download content automatically, and you will have to manually download the content you wish to have in-game. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.